The management of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria has named its School of Law building after the wife of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the First Lady Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu. The founder and chairman governing council of the university, Professor Adamu Abubakar Gwarzo, made the disclosure at the official unveiling of Maryam Abacha Auditorium by the First Lady Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu and wife of the Vice President Nana Shatima in National Center for Abuja Development, Abuja, on Saturday the 5th of August 2023.
On behalf of Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria, we are honored to name our law department after Her Excellency Dr. Oluremi.
He said the university management's decision to name the building after Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu was in recognition of her efforts to promote peace and unity, as well as being a tribalized Nigerian. We found it necessary to honor Mrs. Tinubu based on her humility and gentleness, and above all because of her efforts towards promoting peace and unity in the country. This gesture aims at promoting unity and peace, and it should be emulated by all leaders, irrespective of gender, in the country, Professor Gwarzo said. Professor Gwarzo said the management had also resolved to name the edifice after the First Lady in order to recognize her good style of leadership and epitome of humility and simplicity, which should be emulated by other women leaders. He said the First Lady is expected to unveil the building on a date to be announced later. In a brief remark, Mrs. Tinubu expressed appreciation to Professor Gwarzo for finding her worthy for the honor and prayed to Almighty Allah to continue to give him the strength toward the upliftment of education in the country. The First Lady, who recalled that she did her one-year mandatory National Youth Service course in Kano, thanked Professor Gwarzo for the honor shown to her.